Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and help Sykkuno.
Yeah, huh?
Hello? Karl.
Hello.
You're back with
Whoa.
tons of loot.
Karl.
Hi, I'm here to help you.
Karl.
I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
I look cool now.
Oh, Karl, we can go through the
Are
back
those
room.
pants?
There's a back entrance now. Hey, come on in
Yeah.
through the back entrance, everyone. There's a new
They're
back
pants.
They're made
entrance.
of wood.
They're pants.
Yeah.
It's much more.
Yeah. What do you
much more
think, Karl?
roomy.
Definitely a lot more roomy. That's for sure. It's more roomy.
Oh. Well, you have a beautiful view.
That's true. That's true.
Oh God.
Yo,
Yeah, we
I'm
kind
a
of
little
just.
warrior
I tried
now.
to
This
save
is
as
sick.
much as I could.
If you don't like the pants, I can just make them black.
No, I love it. I'm so flashy.
All right, I'm gonna go get some materials.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna get back
gotta
to
patch up
looting. I
my
got
house,
some
too.
stuff to recover.
Wait,
Okay.
I was gonna
Well,
help
what
with
do
this
you
cause
need?
Going to the
anyone
gas
have any
station.
food? I'm starving right
Oh,
now.
anything,
Don't got any
anything.
You
pumpkins?
can buy it from my shop for
I'm
25
gonna go to the gas station, do
scrap
some
or
stuff.
30, I don't remember.
Bnans, you got some pumpkins for me, right?
Here, wait, come over here. I
Homewrecker,
got
you
you.
got some pumpkins for me, right?
I have you. I have
No,
you.
I don't have anything.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Oh, I'm missing
Thanks, Karl.
shoes.
Of course.
No problem.
See you guys.
Ashley.
I was eating.
Ashley.
I'll be back.
I have food in my